Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pek Ïakhih kubor baman kasngi.
Hanya kasngi ke khat pratrik ujemang ke Seng Kongres hakani ke Jylla kala penlong ya ke Ïakhih persya ya ke Jingleh jeng ulat ke Jylla Karnataka namar ke Jingkhang lat ya ke Kongres bantau sarkar hakani ke Jylla. Hakani ke Ïakhih bala penlong ha Kongres Bhavan Police Bazar Shillong la wanishim menta nadu u Presiden jo ke Seng uba Celestine lengdo ka kong Maisel Amperin lengdo uba Hima M Shangpliang ki nongkit kam jo ke Seng Kongres na keleng bat kiwe. Hagani ke Ïakhih ke Seng Kongres kala penpau ya ke Jing persya jur bat penremru ya ke Jingleh jeng ulat ke Jylla Karnataka u vajubhai rudabhai vala u bala khot ya ke Seng BJP bantau sarkar watla kamdon ya ke Jingbon pai bantau sarkar.
Violation of democracy. Negotiation of law. Negotiation of law. Mission of law. We condemn. BJP. We condemn. BJP. We condemn. BJP. We condemn. BJP. Violation of democracy. Murder of democracy. Murder of democracy. Negotiation of law. Negotiation of law. Killing of democracy. Killing of democracy. We condemn. BJP. We condemn. BJP. Murder of democracy. Murder of democracy. We condemn. BJP. We condemn. BJP. We condemn. BJP. We condemn. BJP. BJP नहीं चलेगा. नहीं चलेगा. नहीं चलेगा. BJP नहीं चलेगा. नहीं चलेगा. नहीं चलेगा. BJP नहीं चलेगा. नहीं चलेगा. नहीं चलेगा. Long live Congress. Long live Congress. BJP. Down down. BJP. Down down. BJP. Down down. Narendra Modi. Down down. Narendra Modi. Down down.
Murder of democracy.
Hi.
Violation of constitution.
Hi.
Violation of constitution.
Hi.
Violation of constitution.
Hi.
Negation of the law.
Hi.
Negation of the law.
Hi.
Negation of the law.
Hi.
Subjugation of known principle.
Hi.
Subjugation of known principle.
Hi.
Subjugation of known principle.
For a democracy to be vibrant, the ruling will always need to have a strong opposition. Voices of dissent should be allowed, and it should not be suppressed by bulldozing without listening. What we have seen in Karnataka, this is very unbecoming of the democracy that we have in India. So, even though we are very far away from Karnataka, the spirit of democracy has to be maintained. The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, along with all its members, would like to register our protest at the way things are being handled in Karnataka.
After providing proof of support would be illegal and contrary to three very vital points. Number one, the Sarkaria Commission on role of governor in formation of government says that if no party has absolute majority, the chief minister should be chosen from a pre-poll alliance. If such doesn't exist, then CM should be formed from the single largest party. That also has support of other regional parties or independent members who have been elected. The Kalblekar judgment clearly indicates that the governor should necessarily call the leader of the single largest party and or combinations of other parties supporting them to form the government. Our question is, who has decided that the governor should be empowered to look over all of these indicators that have led this democracy of India forward in so many years? And we are happy that the court today has ordered for a floor test tomorrow at 4 p.m. The governor's actions in Karnataka will have a rippling effect across the country. Should we, the stakeholders of democracy, allow this blatant, outright disregard of law? Therefore, we demand justice. In Meghalaya, we too will take a step forward once we become the single largest party on the first. There is nothing now that will stop this country from going forward because a precedent has been set. We condemn this and we demand that our democracy should be restored at the earliest so that there may be justice in this great nation called India. India is not only about what the BJP decides to do and dictate. India is about a democracy that is keenly encouraged to flourish in the true spirit of the democracy as laid down in the Constitution of India. Therefore, we stand and we protest irrespective of the distance we are away from Karnataka, and we demand justice. BJP, hi, hi! Hi, hi, hi!
Hadin kani ke Ïakhih ke Seng Kongres nagani ke Jylla kan salait ru ban IT ya ke dorkhas sya ulat ke Jylla ban penpau persya ya kani ke Jingleh jong ulat ke Jylla Karnataka.
Kadau balai ba ke MPCC kale ya kani ke dharna mata ke sengi belong ba nilayo I ke belajar po Karnataka. Di Karnataka lapau syai ba ke BJP buatlah kedai ke single largest party kamden ke nomor ban house of ka ki independent ru Jingleh ban kimtre ban yatri lang ban ka ke GDS ru kamtre BJP Congress ru kamtre de henry u governor usdang ya ka ke ba amla long ban khot ya ka BJP ban house of ka claim ke nomor tingi pini ya ka jing persya ka jongi kum ka party kum ka Congress party kari India barok away ni penpau ya kecik persya ya kecik le jong governor jong Karnataka.
Pacuban pat penban biang ya kimat kibala penpau de presiden jongi ya kene keri la penyan deki an ki kanun kat kum bala betha bat bala tho ha kata ka kotba jong kene keri ke jongi ke bangiong ke constitution. But ka constitution kamsyak ya kane ke jing ban bor da kawai ka party ha baro ki states ha kari India jungi kane kam jatang ha Karnataka pilayo I ki jing ja ki baja ha Manipur pilayo I ki jing ja ki baja ha Goa but menta ngiyo I ba ha Karnataka kalalong kabakpalat pot pat kababean tingi kum ka Seng ngi don kam pan pentip pan paryang lam ya ka di ka jingja wat lang ngi dei ka wei ka Jylla ka badon highway kendong ha ka North East India ngim dei ban sya ya kani namar sisin bapilale ya kini ki rukom penyat demokrasi ha kani ka rukom kamut ba pi la set ya kita ki president ki balong bean ha kani gari bat nang ni syakman ngindon jing shibun habang ihap ban pet baya ke demokrasi bat ya karai jong upat ba dei bandon ke jing burom tingi the protesting bat ngi da kwa ba baro kinong song snong hakari India ki dei ban yui ya kata baka Meghalaya ru ka pet ngor ye gini ki Jingleh ha Karnataka ha Goa ha Manipur bat ngi da banjur bayakaan day banbat daki nong tauan day ban sushim kabu tang namar pidon ha kacaka kabapidei kikli nong penyat jong ka sarkar balai ba andaladep ya ka general elections barabor kani ka jingja jong ki parties ha borok ko igri India ki haple chakot balai ka ha banwan kum kani Kalaja hapo Manipur ngilalia protes. Hagoa layalet sepokot bangin shim ya protection jong kakot. Mentasa hakana tangka ngayap lek biang cekot. Balai laja ayu ya kata ke governance ke demokrasi ke di bendang. Balai pangihapan depend kum ni ke kakot. Kani ke presidents ke bolong very distasteful but ngim dei ban syak.